Okay, Perodua Viva installed for Cogoo T series, 9-inch Android GPS big screen player, 1GB RAM, 16GB storage, IPS screen multi-angle view, still the same color. Okay, OEM good fitting casing. No block aircon. Okay, OEM socket plug and play. Cogoo T series CG-T9L-IPS, 1GB RAM, 16GB storage, IPS screen. Full menu, setting, network internet, turn on the Wi-Fi, pairing with your phone hotspot, connect your phone hotspot for internet, system, about device, T3L, Android version 9, 2020 February, 1GB RAM, 16GB storage. Okay, car setting. This is brake detect. Extra setting, a password, 8888. So you can do some minor setting. Okay, back to home. A full menu, aux video input and video output, Bluetooth call, pairing with your phone Bluetooth. It's got a Bluetooth, you can answer call. It's got a mic input here. Okay, and click for the music icon, sharing your phone music to car player. EQ, equalizer, 31 band. Okay, back to normal one or preset. A file manager. So Android big screen, 9-inch, is no SD card, no DVD, but it's got a 2 USB slot, which is USB extension we'll put in a drawer, so you can insert a pen drive or portable hard disk. Okay, you can select and copy, go to a flash drive, internal storage, music, and paste. Okay, full menu, Play Store, you log in a Gmail to download app. Cloud TV APK you can download from web. Play YouTube or Waze you can download from Play Store. Styling control function for selected car model. Okay, so this is Cogoo T series T3L. Okay, it's a flexible software control. So this is a main page, it's fixed, but it's got a page 2 or the page 3 on the left. So go to the full menu. Example, I want the YouTube as a shortcut. I long press it. I put it here, and also I can put move anyway. So this is just a shortcut here. Gadget. Okay, the time. Okay, put it here. So you have to connect a Wi-Fi. So if you want to delete it, long press, delete. Okay, to change your background, long press, wallpaper, then select the wallpaper you want and set wallpaper. So it's changed. Wallpaper is changed. Okay, Android player, you have to clear apps. Click the square icon, clear it one by one, or close all. So this is Cogoo T series, 1 GB RAM, 16 GB storage with OEM casing, OEM socket plug and play, OEM radio antenna joint socket plug and play. Good fitting casing for 9-inch. Okay, installed by one piece. And video my end. Thank you.